In the depths of each of us, there is an uneasy shadow, which comes from our obsession with the pain of the past, the fear of the future, and even the loss of ourselves. Our hearts are like a mirror, blurred by layers of dust. These dusts make us unable to see our true selves, and also make us wander in ignorance and suffering. Maybe you have also asked yourself how to find the light from this dark night? The purification of the soul is the starting point of all liberation. Only by making the heart clear can we find true freedom and happiness. To get rid of the suffering in life, the first step is to recognize our mental state. Our troubles and pains are often caused by obsessions that we can't let go of. The heart is tied by obsession, just like a bird is imprisoned in a cage. Many people indulge in remorse for the past and anxiety about the future, but ignore the power of the present. Purifying the mind is actually for us to free ourselves from self-limitation and know how to let go of unnecessary persistence. This process may not be easy, because we have long been accustomed to anxiety and restlessness. However, through quiet meditation and letting go exercises, and gradually turn troubles into wisdom, we can see the truth of life and find freedom and stability from it. Everyone has a pure heart in the depths of their hearts, which is full of light and love, and does not need external decoration. However, when we are attracted by the pursuit of the outside world, our hearts fall into turbid water and gradually lose their original clarity. When we begin to look introspect and reflect on ourselves, we can see this innate light again. Through the process of spiritual purification, we can see the true self, not the appearance covered by greed, anger, and ignorance. Our pain and low tide may not be completely avoided, but we can learn to transcend these emotions and transform them into nutrients for growth. In the process, we are getting closer and closer to the inner light. Pain often comes from the unchangeable past or the uncontrollable future. When we learn to no longer compete with the uncontrollable outside world, our hearts gradually calm down. Maybe we can't make the predicament disappear, but through the purification of the soul, the heart is no longer burdened by pain, and then find true stability. Spiritual purification is not only for yourself, but also for learning how to accept others with a clearer mind and care for everything in the world. When our hearts are clear, we can naturally look at everyone around us with compassion. Learn to give love selflessly and make yourself the light in the difficulties of others. When we are willing to spread love, support each other, and grow together, we will find that there is no more darkness in life, only the continuation of love and light. Pain and troubles mostly come from resistance and persistence to impermanence. Whether it is material possession or emotional gains and losses, they are short-lived and impermanent. If we insist on immutability, we are easy to fall into uneasiness and pain. The purification of the soul is to learn to release these obsessions and return the heart to peace. We can learn to accept the changes of life and find inner peace in every moment. When we stop struggling and choose to live in the present, the ease and peace will naturally emerge. This is the return to the pure state and the starting point for the freedom of the soul.